Okay, guys. Holden went back to Florida. We missed him, so leave a like for him, and we'll do more of my outdoor stuff. So let's get into it. Got my other cousin here, Garrett, and I got Ruth here. We are going to go jug fishing today, so let's go throw them out, and we'll see what happens. We're gonna throw a jug out there. Go. And we got 2 catfish on. We will go out there and get those later. And we're gonna get more jugs out there. Here we go. We've had 2 bites. 2 of them came off and that one's still over there. And we will get 10. Hey, Garrett got a bluegill for some bait for these catfish. And we'll kill it and put it to pieces, and then we'll have it as bait. So I got a bluegill. This will help out for the bait, and we'll see what happens. Okay, guys, Garrett got a fish. This will help out too. Okay, here we go. We're about to get the catfish. Well, not a very big catfish, but what I thought he was. How much do you think he is, Papa?
5 or 6 pounds.
5, 6 pounds. We'll weigh him and see. What are you saying? Oh, yeah. We'll put you in a different pond. Okay, guys, he is only 3 pounds, not very big. And we'll go get that other catfish over there. So. Hey, guys, Garrett is about to get this fish. And we'll see how big he is. Hopefully he's bigger than the last one. The last one was not very big. Okay, there it goes.
Easy, don't just force it.
Oh, it's a crappie.
That's the trouble with Venice.
We got a crappie on there.
That's a big
Pretty good crappie. Well,
yeah, it's not our target fish.
no, not a target fish. How has it been so far? Has it been pretty fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think we saw one move. I think it was right there. I'm not for sure. We're gonna see. Okay, guys, there's a fish over there. I'm going to get him, and he looks bigger than the last one, so we'll see. Whoa. Yeah. Okay, you ready? Oh, the thing. Okay, this guy's pretty big. You don't want to put too much. Yeah. Whoa, now that's a bigger catfish. Okay, we'll see what he weighs, and we think we see a few more. So. Okay.
5 pounds.
5 pounds and 12 ounces. Okay. So we think we see a few more. We'll check them out. Okay, Garrett's getting one.
Take it easy.
Yeah, don't force him.
Don't just hang on. That's fine. Don't worry.
Okay. That looked like a big one. I don't know if it was bigger than my second one, but definitely a big one. Not for sure. Papa's gonna get the net.
Easy.
Very big. We got a fish. Got the catfish in the net. Whew.
I think this one's bigger.
They're about the same size.
Yeah. We'll see what it weighs. Okay, guys. That is a big one. It's if we catch him, it's gonna be the biggest one of the day. And after we get him, we're gonna get all the other jugs if they don't have anything on it, and we'll put it back to a different pond. So, okay, guys, we just saw this fish that we were saying that we were gonna get, and then 2 other ones over there. And I'll get 2 and Garrett will get 1. So let's get to it. Too hard is what I thought it would. There we go, we got him. Okay, we got 4 catfish. We're gonna put them in a little bucket and then we'll come back out here. And
Big bucket.
big bucket, little bucket, big bucket.
Little bucket.
And then we'll get the rest of them that are out here. So, okay guys, we're going to dump the catfish into this pond.
Get up, bro.
Turn those jugs.
Garrett's giving him a little push. Thanks for watching. Check out our last videos if you haven't. Like and subscribe. And God loves you. Peace.